Hello, my name's Harold Watson, and I'd like to provide a recommendation for Just in Time. I've had several interactions with Just in Time, and I'd just like to provide you some feedback regarding how effective they are in their service. They always reconfirm appointments with you. They always show up on time. They're efficient, fast, and they provide quality workmanship. We've utilized them for duct cleaning. We've also utilized them because of their excellent work on the duct cleaning for changing all our purification system on our furnace system. And as well, we utilize them for the installation of our air conditioning unit. And everything has worked excellent. So I'd like to recommend Just in Time to anyone who would like to utilize their services.